Good evening, everyone. Charkhi Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan, an inspiration for public service, environmental protection, and civic responsibility, Charkhi Dadri, Haryana. It is said that a true leader is identified by his work and thinking, not by his position. This statement has been fully proved by Charkhi Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan through his work and spirit of public service. Sangwan, who was once employed in the prison department, not only followed administrative discipline but also took important initiatives on issues like water conservation, environmental protection, and social awareness, which were appreciated at the national level by the senior officials of that time.
और जेलों के अंदर मैंने पता है कि बहुत जेलों में जमीनें भी हैं, कृषि योग्य भूमि भी है। मैंने पूरे देश में प्रधानमंत्री जी के आह्वान पर नेचुरल फार्मिंग, प्राकृतिक खेती का अभियान छेड़ा और हरियाणा के रोहतक जेल में भी मैंने जा करके इस बारे में कैदियों के बीच में चर्चा की और मुझे गर्व है कि वहाँ के जेलर महोदय ने वहाँ प्राकृतिक खेती का मिशन शुरू कर दिया और जो किसान अपराध करके जेल में आए थे उनको वो वहाँ नेचुरल फार्मिंग की ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं। अब वो आएंगे घर पे तो पर्यावरण को बचाएंगे, धरती को जहरीला होने से बचाएंगे, पानी को बचाएंगे, लोगों की, किसान की आय बढ़ेगी, गाय से वो खेती होती, गौ का भी पालन हो जाएगा। कितना बड़ा एक काम से पुण्य हो सकता है। और मुझे पता है बहुत जेलों में इस प्रकार की सकारात्मक सोच के साथ आप अधिकारियों के द्वारा कार्यक्रम चलाए जा रहे हैं। ये इसके लिए मैं बधाई देता हूं और इसकी भी मुझे अपार प्रसन्नता है कि आप ऐसे लोगों के बीच में रहते हैं और जैसे लोगों के बीच में रहा जाए और फिर अपनी मानसिकता को संभाला जाए, ये बड़ी
Inspiring journey from jailer to public servant, Sunil Satpal Sangwan kept the wider interest of the society paramount even while working as a jail superintendent. He awakened a spirit of environmental protection among the prisoners, conducted innovative experiments to save water and run tree plantation and green campaigns in the jail premises. Approach of his shows that the spirit of public service comes from thinking, not from position. This work was not just a formality, rather he had adopted environmental protection as a mission. On his initiative, schemes like rainwater harvesting system, tree plantation, organic fertilizer production, and water recycling were started in the jail premises. Seeing these schemes, senior officials also praised them and recommended to implement in under jails. Now, as MLA alert towards the problems of Charkhi Dadri. Now, as MLA alerts towards the problems of Charkhi Dadri. Even after becoming an MLA, the same dedication and awareness of Sunil Satpal Sangwan. towards the society can be seen today when he is the representative of Charkhi Dadri. He is not only working on development schemes but is also constantly working towards eradicating the basic problems of the city from the root. One of the most prominent problems of Charkhi Dadri is water logging in the city during the rainy season. This problem has been there 4 years, due to which common citizens have to face a lot of trouble. But this time, MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan has taken this challenge seriously in time and has started the work of cleaning the drains before time. Cleaning of drains attacking the root of the problems in the early months of summer.
नाम है मेरा।
थोड़ा सा बताओ इसके बारे में।
इसके बारे में, ये बारिश का मौसम शुरू हो रखा है और हमारे विधायक श्री सुनील सतपाल सांगवान के मार्गदर्शन में ये काम हो रहा है और बारिश के मौसम से पहले हम ये काम पूरा कर देंगे और रात को भी सफाई चल रही है।
इसके तहत क्या क्या नालों का क्या किया जा रहा है जी?
नालों की पूर्ण रूप से सफाई होगी और जो नाले टूटे हुए हैं उनका काम पूरा होगा और मेजबान चौक पे एक पुलिया बननी है, वो पुलिया टूटी हुई है, जो बंद है वो चालू हो जाएगी और पूर्ण रूप से जो भी बारिश के अंदर कोई भी दिक्कत नहीं आने देगी।
बरसात तक ये नाले सारे साफ हो जाएंगे?
बरसात से पहले ही हम नाले का पूर्ण रूप से काम बहुत तेजी से हो रहा है और बहुत जल्द नालों का काम पूरा हो जाएगा।
MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan had started the cleaning of the main and sub drains of Charkhi Dadri city in coordination with the Municipal Council, Sanitation Department and District Administration. This is a far-sighted step so that there is no obstruction in the drainage of water during the rainy season and the problem of water logging does not arise.
मैं संदीप फोगाट, उप प्रधान दादरी नगर व्यापार मंडल चरखी दादरी। भाई, नालों की सफाई बारिश के मौसम आने से पहले जो शुरुआत करी है प्रशासन ने, ये बहुत सराहनीय है। लेकिन मैं तो इसके साथ साथ एक व्यापार मंडल का प्रतिनिधि होने के नाते एक सुझाव देता हूँ कि ये जो नाले सफाई किए जा रहे हैं, एक तो जो इनके ढक्कन है ये ढंग से ढकवाए जाए और जो ये रोड के ऊपर जो एक 11 और डिवाइडर का जो खिंडाया गया है, कोई ऐसा टैंक टूंग में डलवाया जाए ताकि आने जाने वाले राहगीर परेशान न हो, नहीं ही यहाँ के जो दुकानदार है स्थानीय ये परेशान न हो और इनकी सफाई थोड़ी ढंग से की जाए।
Special cleaning campaigns were carried out in the main market, bus stand, government hospital area, around schools and colleges, railway road and housing board colonies. The silt deposited in the drains was removed, garbage was taken out and broken lids of drains were repaired at many places. But this responsibility is not only of the MLA and the administration. Citizens will also have to play a role. In important point here is that the problem cannot be permanently solved by the efforts of the administration and the MLA alone unless the citizens understand their responsibility. MLA Sangwan said in a public statement, if we ourselves keep throwing plastic bags, bottles, household waste and construction material in the drains, no cleanliness campaign can be successful. This problem is not only administrative but also social, and every citizen's role is important in its solution. There is a clear message in his appeal that if the city has to be made clean, beautiful, and waterlogging free, then the citizens themselves will have to come forward. This is not only the responsibility of the government and the MLA but of all of us. Control over plastic, the main cause of the problem. One of the main reasons for the blockage of drains in Charkhi Dadri city is plastic waste. Throwing plastic bottles, chips, packets, empty milk pouches, polythene bags, and other garbage directly into the drains has become a common trade. This causes the drains to get clogged, and even a little rain causes the roads to get flooded with water. To deal with this problem, the MLA has instructed the municipal council to strictly implement the anti-polythene campaign and install dustbins at various places also. He has sought cooperation from the schools, social organizations, and business institutions to run public awareness campaigns. Water conservation, the need of the future, the responsibility of the present MLA Sangwan believes that water crisis will affect every person sooner and later. Therefore, water conservation should not only become a government policy but also the thinking of every citizen. He has started efforts towards making rainwater harvesting compulsory in every government building and new private construction. Under his direction, the municipal council has started rainwater harvesting schemes in some schools and government offices as a pilot project so that rainwater can be absorbed into the ground and revive the water level. Clean and beautiful Charkhi Dadri will be made only with public participation. Public participation is required in every effort for the development of Dadri city and environmental protection. Sunil Satpal Sangwan has repeated this thing again and again. He has urged the city dwellers to throw garbage only in the dustbin, not in the drains. Instead of using plastic, use cloth bags, jute bags, envelopes, and usually usable items. Maintain cleanliness in your neighborhood and respect the work of sanitation workers. Install rainwater harvesting system in your homes. Teach children about cleanliness and saving water. Concluding, leadership is that which sees the future and works in the present. Charkhi Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan does not just count development figures. He works on the problems that affect the common man on a daily basis. He is working on the ground by staying away from superficial politics. His vision and activism on issues like waterlogging, cleaning of drains, water conservation, and control on plastic is commendable, but the success of every good effort depends on the participation of citizens. Therefore, it is necessary that we all together contribute in building a clean, beautiful and healthy Charkhi Dadri. So friends, thank you very much for this watching PPT News. And friends, I am humble request, please subscribe our channel PPT News. So thank you, take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, सत श्री अकाल, जय हिंद, जय भारत, टेक केयर.